How to use Ace filter in FaceApp. Want to see what you might look in the future or rewind the clock? Here's how to use the Ace filter in FaceApp, one of its most viral features. Start by launching the FaceApp application on your phone. Now once you're on your home page, choose a photo from your gallery or tap the camera icon to snap a new selfie. Okay, let me choose this one. Once your image loads, you can see many options right here. You scroll left and you can see Ace right here. Tap on Ace. Now you will see multiple options like young 3, young 2, teen and child, baby face, cool old and old Ace. Now if you want to see your face in the old Ace, tap on this old. Now the FaceApp will automatically generate the transformation in seconds like this. You can change it to baby face as well. You can change it to child. Once you are done, tap on apply and hit save. And once you hit save, it is downloaded in your gallery. And that's how you use the Ace filter in FaceApp. Whether you are just curious or planning a viral transformation, this AI-powered effect never fails to impress. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how accurate do you think the old version looks. Thank you for watching.